Now we're looking at solving proportions. Remember, to solve proportions we cross multiply. So we're going to multiply these two together, and we're going to multiply these two together. If we multiply these two together, we get 10x. Multiplying the other two together, I get 5 times 16. I might do this a little bit differently than you may have seen. I'm going to leave that as 5 times 16. And I'm going to divide both sides by 10. If I do that, the 10's cancel and I get x here. I'm going to divide both top and bottom by 5 so that this becomes 1 and this becomes 2. And then we get 16 divided by 2, which is 8. And we're done. So you don't necessarily need to multiply it all out. So we do that. We use the cross products property, which is just cross multiplying. And we get the same answer. Okay. Here's another one, a little bit more complicated. Again, cross multiply here and cross multiply here. I'm going to get 2 times y plus 1, and make sure you put the y plus 1 in parentheses. This is equal to 3y times 1. Over here we're going to use distributive property, multiply that out. You get 2y plus 2 is equal to 3y. Subtracting 2y from both sides, 2 is equal to y. Again, writing the proportion using cross products property, distributing, solving. Okay, here's another one. We're going to cross multiply here and here. We get 5x on one side, on the other side we get 16, dividing both sides by 5. You notice this doesn't come out even. I am fine with you keeping it in reduced fraction. In this case we can't reduce it, so this is our answer. And here's another one. Still cross multiplying these and these. So on one side we have 4 times x minus 3. On the other side we have 3x times 1. Using distributive property, we get 4x minus 12 is equal to 3x. We're going to subtract 4x from both sides. We get negative 12 is equal to negative x. And dividing both sides by negative 1, we get x is equal to 12. Okay, one more, I hope. Let's try this one more time. We're going to multiply this out, and we're going to multiply this out. So on one side we get 7y, on the other side we get 14 times y minus 3. So this gives us 7y here, and over here using distributive property, 14y minus 42. I'm going to subtract 14y from both sides. If I do that, the 14's cancel. We get a negative 7y is equal to a negative 42. And dividing both sides by 7, or negative 7 rather, we get y is equal to 6. Okay. Thank you much.